Komiti mar senet mochung'ne loch gwenge dayo dho jotend od bura mar kaunti ma Nyamira kalore kod ywaruok mosebede e od burano kendo nyuolo kweth ariyo kamoro ni kod spika margi. Thaddeus Nyabaro koni en spika ka Enoch Okero bende oyang kaka spika mar kweth machielo. Ywaruok mar telo e od bura ma Nyamira oseyudo seyo ka moko kuom jotelo seyo gavana Amos Nyaribo.
Has never obtained any court order suspending or staying Gazette Notices number 14050 of 2024, which published his impeachment. In addition, he has to date never been reinstated as the Speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly by any court. Annexure 42 ELRC petition number E001 of 2024. Subsequent to his impeachment on 24th October 2024, Enoch Okero wrote to the then acting clerk and the current substantive clerk of the Nyamira County Assembly, Mr. Duki Onyari, purporting to suspend him on account of facilitating an illegal impeachment. Nyamira said at the Nyamira County Assembly on 24th to respond to the charges. Honorable Chair, that's all I can state. I can invite the legal counsel to highlight one or two. Legal counsel?
Thank you, Honorable Chair and the Honorable Senators. We do begin our submissions this afternoon by submitting that...
You are who?
My name is Mokwandubi, advocate.
Okay.
Honorable Chair and Honorable Senators, the County Assembly of Nyamira is a creature of the Constitution. And as such, whichever decision it makes, whether a suspension or whether an impeachment, however illegal it is, on a prima facie basis, it is deemed legal and it enjoys the constitutional presumption of legality unless and until either stayed or overturned by a court of competent jurisdiction, not just any other court. Honorable Senators, with respect to the matter before this committee, there are several cases as against the Nyamira County Assembly. But of paramount importance, there are two cases by the Honorable Okero which are paramount with regards to these proceedings. Honorable Senators, it is important to note that a suspension is a totally different thing from an impeachment. In this case, Honorable Senators, to better understand the dispute as against the Assembly, it is important that, Honorable Senators, you do have a correct chronology of events. The Honorable Okero was suspended, whether legally or illegally, on the 8th of October.
Point of order, Chair. How can Council say that somebody is suspended legally or illegally? What does that mean to you? In other words, are you comfortable that we are holding these hearings illegally, for example? Council, what are you saying?
Honorable Senator.
Yes.
Our position is that the Honorable Okero was suspended on the 8th of October.
Just wait. Do we have a law in our books that suspends somebody?
Honorable Senator, whether there is such a provision or not.
No, what are you saying?
Order.
What are you saying?
The Council, order.
Honorable Senator, is there in standing order number 51 of the Nyamira County Assembly.
Honorable Senator.
And that is, Senator, that is why I'm submitting.
Please give them time to respond.
Whether the suspension was legal, whether the suspension was legal or not. Yes, Honorable Chair.
Is asking is, by law, will the Speaker suspended or removed through a motion of motion on to remove him from the seat. He's suspended. Can he be suspended?
Honorable Chair, there was a motion to suspend him.
Okay.
And he moved to court and obtained orders stopping that suspension. However, there was no court order, and to date, there is no court order that stopped impeachment.
Okay.
Impeachment came after. And after the Honorable Okero was impeached, he did file a case in Kisii, being Petition 1. He wanted to set aside the impeachment proceedings and to stop the election of a new speaker. He did not get those orders. He was also never reinstated back as the Speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly. And in fact, Honorable Chair and Honorable Senators, there is a valid gazette notice as we speak to date, gazetting the Honorable Okero as an impeached Speaker. And that gazette notice, to date, it has never been stayed, it has never been suspended, or it has never been quashed.
It's quashed, Honorable Chair. So the legal counsel is not telling the truth. I have the gazette with me here. I can share.
I will give you a time, please order. You respond.
Honorable Chair, gazette notice number.
Weche moko e pachoka nyalo tami pimo. Mano speaker kano segwe oko mar apisi to dhi owinjore kod MCAs mamoko giloso od bura machielo kore county ma Nyamira osebedo kod ute buche kata county assemblies ariyo kendo amoro kamoro dhi nyime kod chenro mag od bura. En wach miwinjo kanyo wageno ni gikone